Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you. Can you add an EBT card to Google Play? Unfortunately, not yet. Google Play and Google Wallet don't currently support EBT cards because they aren't standard payments like Visa or MasterCard. But don't worry, there are a few smart workarounds you can try. Some prepaid debit cards such as Rush Card, NetSpend, or Green Dot allow you to load your EBT funds into them. Once the funds are transferred, you can link those prepaid cards to Google Play for seamless purchases. You can also use retailer apps that accept EBT payments like Walmart, where you can shop online or set up in-store pickups using your benefits. While this doesn't connect directly to Google Pay, it still gives you a digital way to use EBT funds conveniently. Just remember to double check fees or limitations when transferring funds to prepaid cards. And who knows, Google may roll out EBT support in the future, so keep an eye on their updates for any new payment options. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.